Alright, this is my Helve hammer. I'm Jared Foster. I live in Colorado City, Texas. I'm a ABS apprentice smith. And this is my little Helve hammer that I built. I've got a 10-pound sledgehammer head cut in half for my anvil, and 2.5 for 3-pound little sledge for my main hammer part. It's just a 4x4 piece of pressure treated lumber with a 3.5-inch wide truck trailer leaf spring. It's got some 4-inch clamps on it. The leaf spring comes out a little further from the Helve arm. The Helve arm is 3 feet long exactly, and I've got some 1.5-inch pillow block bearings and a 1/2 horsepower motor. I've got a light switch rigged up to that motor and a counterweight system down here for my Helve arm. Kind of works like a pump jack. Those are 1-inch pillow block bearings, and these are 1-inch bearings that I pulled out of an old air conditioner. Along with this came out of the old air conditioner too, that drive wheel. I have a adjustment up here at the back, right here, with a rod-on hinge, and I just bolt that on there, and I can adjust this. These are 1.25-inch nuts, or on the OD it's 1.25-inch nuts, and this is a, I don't know, 1-inch bolt there, and let's watch it run. Kind of bounces around a little bit. I don't have a good foundation on it. When I get a better foundation on it, I'll make another video. Thank you.